how to add Sapphire plugin in After Effects. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can add Sapphire plugin in After Effects. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So in order to add Sapphire plugin in After Effects, you have to follow these steps. Step 1. Visit the official website of BorisFX at borisfx.com. Step 2. Click on Products and navigate to the Sapphire plugin. Step 3. Click on Download Free Trial or purchase the plugin if desired. Step 4. Download the Boris FX Hub installer. It will be a compressed file. Step 5. Right-click the downloaded file, open it with WinRAR and extract it to your desired location. Step 6. Double-click the extracted file to start the installation. Grant any required permissions. Step 7. When prompted, click Yes to install the Boris FX Hub. If it is already installed, open it directly from the Start menu. Step 8. In the Boris FX Hub, log in with your account and locate the Sapphire plugin for Adobe After Effects. Step 9. Click the arrow next to Sapphire and select Install for Adobe After Effects. Step 10. Wait for the installation to complete. A success message will confirm the installation. So that's how you can add Sapphire plugin in After Effects. That's all for this video.